Guys, I have a studio! So I got a studio. I'm excited about the new possibilities here. For the past few years, I've been recording everything in my bedroom at home. I've never had a studio space before, and I wanted to push myself to create more content. We have a kitchen, we have a dining room, we have a living room, we have 3 bedrooms, all for content creation. But how do we get here? As some of you know, 2020 was a great year for my YouTube channel. I did an update video and shared all the exciting things that happened, and I had a lot of forward momentum. I was able to use that forward momentum to buy a house, all with channel income. And I thought, you know what, there's no better use for this house other than to make it a studio and pursue content creation even more seriously than I've already been pursuing it. So what's been happening? 2020 was a great year for the YouTube channel. I haven't posted a ton in 2021. It is my goal to post weekly, but if you've been following along with the channel, I haven't posted every week. There's been a lot of months where I've only gotten 2 or 3 uploads out. In addition to this, I launched Craylor Academy this year, but I ended up sunsetting it a couple months later and never actually completing it. So for those of you who have supported me, you've gotten Craylor Academy, or you've just been watching the channel, you might be wondering, what is this guy up to? Like, why isn't he posting consistently? What happened with Craylor Academy? Is he doing this thing or not? I get it. And here's what I've been up to. I'm focusing on sustainability. See, Craylor Academy was meant to be a next step for Craylor Media. It was another thing that you could consume and learn how to build a website and develop a new skill. Because my whole focus the past couple of years has been, how can I take this from a YouTube channel to a brand overall? A place that you can come and have resources and content and stuff to consume that is going to help you as a business owner succeed. That's my goal here. I want to help you win. I want to see you build your business and make an awesome website and have the resources that you need to take your brand further and to have a successful business. So Craylor Academy was meant to be that resource, but I learned in the process that running an online course takes a lot more effort and resources than I imagined. And it's not that I couldn't do it, but it's more that I had to step back and reevaluate my priorities. I had to say, is it worth dumping all this effort into this course, or is it worth stepping back and looking at the bigger picture I have for Craylor Media and saying, does this fit with the vision? Ultimately, I decided not right now. I'm not saying I would never do a course in the future, but it just didn't feel right at this time. I had to step back, look at the big picture, and say, what's next? And what's next is more ways to interact for everyone. And one of the very first ways that you get to interact with me is this coming Friday, November 19th at 8 p.m. Central Time. I'm so excited to announce that I'll be starting a weekly live stream every Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time, and it's gonna be a time where you can jump in, type your questions in the chat, I'll be answering them, responding to Q&A. I even would like to have some subscribers on at some point and do website reviews and answer questions about WordPress and web design and online tech in general. I'd love to do live interviews with CEOs and executives of tech companies. I mean, imagine if I could interview the Squarespace CEO or something. I don't know. That'd be fun. The sky is the limit with these live streams, and it's a new opportunity for me to connect with you on a more personal level. And speaking of interaction, there's another way that we can all chat and get to know each other. I'm excited to announce that I'll be starting a Discord server for Craylor Media. It's free to join, it's got different topics, and I'll be hanging out in the Discord server to answer your questions about web products and WordPress and online tech and really anything. I'll also be posting to Discord when I have a new video that's live, and guess what? I'll let you in on a little secret. These weekly live streams are gonna be fun, they're gonna be a blast, but they're also not something that I'm gonna leave up on my YouTube channel. But guess what? If you want to watch the replay and you want to see the action after the fact or watch it again, you can do that. We're gonna be posting the live stream replays in the Discord server. So guess what? If you can't make it this Friday, November 19th at 8 p.m. Central Time, you could go to the link in the description below, join the interest list for the Discord server, and as soon as we have it launched, Join the Discord server. Every time there's a new video, every time we go live, there's going to be a link in the Discord server and you can watch all the replays after the fact and never miss a beat. So you might be asking, Christian, how is this possible? I mean, you tried the whole Craylor Academy thing. It didn't really work out right now due to resources. How are you going to do these exciting new ideas like a live stream and a Discord community? And wait, who's holding the camera? Oh yeah, that's right. Let me introduce you to Matthew, my new creative director that I brought on. Matthew is incredible. Why don't you tell them just a little bit more about what you do?
Yeah, so I'm the creative director. Basically what I'm doing is I'm producing all the videos that we're releasing. That's scripting, ideation, shot lists, getting together different resources and stuff. Doing thumbnails, doing some light help with editing. Christian still edits most of the videos, but I'll jump in occasionally and help with that. Basically just carrying the entire creative vision through to the end and overseeing all those little aspects of the channel. So.
Yeah, you've probably noticed in the recent videos we're doing stuff more interesting visually, changing up the backgrounds, doing different sets, getting more creative with the editing, even trying new formats like this video. And I'm so excited that this is just gonna carry on into the future. Going into 2022, you're gonna notice more content. Weekly uploads, weekly live streams, interaction in the Discord server, and regular social media posts. Which, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, now's a good reminder. Hit up the link in the description below. I want to start ramping up some TikTok content and YouTube shorts, so definitely make sure you follow me on those platforms. Hey, by the way, I forgot to mention I was nominated for the best YouTube channel in the WP Awards by the WP Weekly, so it would mean the world to me if you could hit up the link in the description below, go vote for the WP Awards, and select Craylor Made for YouTube channel. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm really excited for this. And I have to say thank you to everyone who's supported me. If you watch my videos, if you subscribe, if you've ever bought me a coffee, if you subscribe to Craylor Academy, thank you. You are the ones who make this opportunity possible. This entire house and studio was made possible because of YouTube income, and that just blows my mind. Never has there been a greater opportunity for someone like me who loves to create content to make money online and make this a full-time job. It's absolutely been a dream come true. Seeing a passion turn into a full-time career is just mind-blowing. So thank you for this opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for your support, and I will see you on Friday.
I'm just gonna adjust the lighting.